Engineering at Home, with Stephen the Engineer. Here's a riddle for you. What's tall, cool, and often the first thing you see in the morning? No, it's not your significant other. It's your refrigerator. A silent, unassuming appliance that's more than just a food storage unit. It's a trove of engineering wizardry, a masterclass in thermodynamics, and the star of today's show, Engineering at Home. Unveil your fridge's cool secrets. So, let's pop open the door to uncover what's chillin' in the world of refrigeration. First things first. Your refrigerator is not, despite popular belief, a box that makes things cold. Instead, it's a marvel that removes heat. Strange, right? But stay with us, it's going to get cooler. It all starts with the refrigeration cycle, a circular voyage of a refrigerant. The compressor, your fridge's engine, starts the process by pressurizing the refrigerant, causing it to heat up. This hot, pressurized gas then travels through coils on the back or bottom of the fridge, releasing its heat into the surrounding air. Next, the refrigerant, now a cooler high-pressure liquid, travels through an expansion valve into the evaporator coils inside your fridge. The drop in pressure causes it to evaporate into a gas, absorbing heat from inside the fridge in the process. This makes your fridge's interior cool, preserving your food and making your ice cream perfectly scoopable. But wait, there's more. Your refrigerator is not just an engineering marvel, it's also an ecological superhero. Modern refrigerators are designed to be energy efficient, and many use refrigerants that are less harmful to the ozone layer. So, each time you reach for a chilled beverage, you're part of a more sustainable, cooler future. It's also worth mentioning that the principles behind your fridge's operations are used in a lot of other appliances, like air conditioners and heat pumps. The humble refrigerator is truly the unsung hero of the thermodynamics world. So, are you ready to see your refrigerator in a new light? It's not just a box that sits in your kitchen, humming quietly. It's a carefully designed appliance that uses the principles of thermodynamics to keep your food fresh and your drinks cold. To sum it up, your refrigerator is a practical demonstration of engineering at work, right in your kitchen. It's a testament to human ingenuity, all working to make life a little cooler. The next time you're indulging in a midnight snack, give a silent nod to your fridge, the keeper of the cold, the engineer of the edibles. Now go on, grab a cold one and appreciate the science that went into it.